Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by focusing on the duplicated layer. You never work on the original. Once done, use the Channels panel to identify contrast between logo and background. This helps create a precise selection. Make a new channel copy, boost contrast with levels until the logo stands out, and paint with black/white to isolate edges. At this point, load that channel as a selection. This first step gives you a mask candidate that preserves underlying texture while targeting the transparent mark. You convert the selection into a layer mask and immediately inspect masked pixels. This is where precision matters. Use a soft brush to paint mask edges, then switch to the clone stamp or healing brush on a new empty layer to rebuild missing texture at 50% opacity for gradual blending. Make sure to work with sampled source areas nearby and sample frequently. Once satisfied, apply a small Gaussian blur or feather to the mask. This smooths transitions and prevents hard halos while keeping natural detail. You finish by choosing whether to apply the mask or keep it editable. Non-destructive is safer. Create a stamped visible layer to lock your repairs, then run content-aware fill on remaining spots using a custom sampling area if needed. Make sure to check edges at 100% to catch subtle artifacts. If you see halos or texture mismatch, undo and work in smaller passes with lower opacity brushes. Resampling often, this incremental approach fixes most issues without damaging surrounding pixels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.